Okay, y'all, so I want to bring y'all a part of my revamping of my tape-in process. I'm getting my shower nice and hot. I'm going to get in and go ahead and wet my hair. Just wet it all the way through. At this point, I was nervous because I'm like, there is no turning back. For shampoo and conditioner, I'm using the hemp coconut oil shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to scrub through and get that all clean. And now I'm moving over to the blow drying process. So this has been my favorite blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and link this down below. It's Revlon and it's a brush blow dryer. I will never go back to a comb blow dryer, you guys. And I kind of noticed that it was like doing my hair and the tape-ins justice. I'm telling you guys, I was really scared. I'm like, I don't want to wet this hair and then I'm not able to get it straight or it doesn't come out right. But the end result just speaks for itself. So as you can see, I'm all nice and blow dried. I went in between to make sure it was all dry. So I parted my hair into 4 sections, and then whatever section I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blow dry over it again, you know, just to be sure, just to have that extra dryness going on. I've been using this for a really long time. It's a satin smooth silk presser serum, well, grease, whatever you want to call it. You just apply a little bit of that to your finger, and each strand that I'm flat ironing, I'm gonna go ahead and place that on there. And it also works as a heat protectant, and as you guys can see, it's getting my hair super straight. I did want to show you guys that the tape-in did grow a little bit just within 3 weeks, but nothing major, y'all. And look, we're getting closer and closer and closer. And oh my god, would you look at her. So yeah, that was just real quick, y'all. That was my process. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I've been having these tape-ins in for 3 weeks now. I got them off of Amazon, so I will be linking them down below. I feel like you guys should give them a try. I have very thin hair, like when my hair is flat iron, and I was super nervous, like the tape is probably gonna take my hair out. I can't speak too soon because I don't know exactly if it's like, well, I don't know if it's taking any of my hair out because I haven't took the tape-ins out. But so far I've seen very minimal shedding with my hair, with the tape-in hair. They're really convenient, you guys. Like, I am absolutely in love. Like, you can literally put these into a ponytail. Like, you can do half up, half down. I lost my earring. It dropped out. It's right before I started the video, but oh well. You can do half up, half down. The hair curls really, really well. The blow drying, honestly, I thought all of this was gonna be difficult. Like, it really wasn't. Like, cause you know how your hair is in between the sandwiches of the tape-ins. I'm like, is all of my hair gonna dry? Am I gonna be able to flat iron it all? A really quick tip with tape-ins, I've never used any other blow dryer, but I would assume one with combs that can actually claw in there, those would mess you up. Since this is a brush, you know this doesn't really go like it does, but like it, with my hair in the middle, it kind of like stopped at a certain point. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but this did not affect my tape-in. It didn't hurt me, like nothing, like it didn't do anything but dry the fuck out of my hair. So I would actually recommend this type of blow dryer if you're going to be keeping up with tape-ins. The maintenance on it, literally just wrap it. I'm not gonna lie, I started to fall off with the wrapping of the hair, but I sacrificed because I'm like, okay, well, if you're not wrapping the hair, then don't be putting a lot of heat in it. So once the hair started getting old, oily, and from it not being dented up, from it not being wrapped, I want to say out of the 3 weeks I've had them, I curled them twice, into a high ponytail. I just curled the ponytail, and then I want to say like 2 times I kind of like went over my edges. That is the max amount that you should be putting heat on your hair with tape-ins, because all of your natural hair is out, and putting heat on it is just going to defeat the purpose. I'm trying to use these tape-ins as a method to be consistent, to take care of my hair, and to, like, what is that called? Grow my hair. Like, I've been seeing a lot of success stories on people growing their hair with the tape-ins. So we're going to see. So I don't know how much longer I'm going to wear these, but I will be doing another update maybe once I'm removing them to see, you know, let you guys know the fallout and all of that. But so far I have more pros than cons. The only con I can say I had is because you're not used to something like being like sticky, like with your hair in the middle of it. It was kind of like pulling in the beginning, but like almost as if like you're getting a weave, you know, like your fresh hairstyle. So once they're sandwiched in, it does do like a little pulling, but that started to relieve itself after like 4 days. What else? Okay, so with these Amazon packs, it came with 20 tapes, but 20 tapes only equal out to 10 sandwiches. So I got 3 boxes of 16-inch hair. And I'm only 5'4", you guys, and this is how long it goes on me. So like right above the boob area. So altogether I had 30 sandwiches, and you guys, it has given me like a really nice natural but fuller than my natural hair look. And excuse me, I want to just excite you guys because I have really thin hair. So the fact that it came out this good, and I didn't even use that many packs of hair. You can get more packs, but I feel like that kind of would have been like OD, and then I wouldn't have been able to like have the flat iron and wiggle room I had with just the amount I had, and I have it now, if that makes sense. So if y'all are thinking about it, do it, do it, do it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, so a lot of people on my Instagram see me in this shirt, and everyone wants to see how I created this look. I actually got the idea off of TikTok, so some of you guys, I'm sure, have probably already seen this. But for those of you who haven't, let me put y'all on. Okay, so I went to a local store, got a $3 DMX shirt. It was actually a come up. There was actually nothing in the fucking store, y'all. Anyway, I cut up the middle, I cut along the side. Each side, you don't want to go too far up because you don't want the shirt to start like rising up into your armpit. So I hold these tight together. You're gonna open this back part, fold it so there's no like side boob showing, and then it's kind of a lot. You have to hold all of it. Well, depending on how many boobs you got, so I gotta hold all of it. So anyway, grab this side, do the exact same thing. Now, still holding the shirt together, you are going to tie and then pull tight on the shirt. That is going to, depending on how much cleavage you want out, that is going to help close up what's going on right here. So then you can just fix it. A lot of people have been wearing it like this. I absolutely hate that. That like looks so childish to me. I'm not into bows. So I just twist and tuck as good as possible. And then the same on this side. Tuck, and then up close you can kind of see what type of like little look it's creating. And then you can see the back, and it's just all holding together, and it's actually really comfortable too. So y'all go get y'all a shirt and try it.